I do want to say that I am a 1L law student. I'm taking classes online with a law school in California. I'll let you know what school it is once I get permission to mention their name on my videos. But yes, I'm taking law classes online. I thought it would be like college, but it's not. The classes are live, although it's online. The classes are live. You have to be present with your video on so they can see your face. The exams are also online, live. When you're taking an exam, you're being video live, and it's also recorded, which is a bar requirement. You have to log all your study time, anytime you spent on subjects other than other than class and in class, I guess. All your time is clocked in. There's a requirement of study time per the bar, and taking taking law school, attending law school online has additional requirements, such as some schools require you to take what is called a baby bar after the first year of law. You have to pass that exam in order to move forward with your legal education to go towards the general bar exam. The California bar is the most difficult bar exam in the country. So my advice and what I have been doing myself is to put in the time for the studying, uh, seeking out practice exams, timing yourself, because, for me, I get a little nervous when I'm timed on a test, because I have to read the uh, the essay question and then spot the issues and apply the rule of law based on that issue. So you have to be very concise when you're doing your answer essays. And yes, they're essays. Um, Briefing cases is another thing that I have been doing. Even in the first week of law, you have to be prepared in class. So you need to brief the cases before the class. You never know when you're going to be called on, and you never know what case you're going to have to discuss, and you don't know what the professor is going to ask you. So you need to be prepared by briefing the cases that are assigned to the class days before the class starts, so you're prepared when called upon. Being called upon to speak in a larger class, and you're unsure about your brief is very nervous feeling that comes over you, but it's just part of the process. That's how you learn the law, and that's how you learn to speak in front of crowds and handle yourself as though you're going to be a lawyer, so you got to handle yourself. So I think the first week of school, or second week now, taught me that I need to take my time and hurry up when I am writing my essays on a hypothetical, and when I'm briefing cases. Um, I need to hurry up and take my time, which doesn't make much sense, but you have to take advantage of the time that's available and make sure that you're answering every question or call of question that's being asked for the particular essay. The essays are IRAC format, and but not the briefs. The briefs are slightly different. So you gotta make sure you're applying the right outline for the right writing assignment. If you don't like reading or writing, you don't need to go to law school because that's all you're gonna do. Read and write. That's why I call my channel Reading the Law, because that's what it's about.